As your meditation deepens, it may happen that the chances of stagnation increase. The subtle mind games of the ego become less obvious but so much more challenging. Because they don't look like distractions, nor do they feel like restlessness. It looks like a relaxed, calm attitude of taking it easy. You sit, you close your eyes, and everything feels almost peaceful. But if you observe carefully, there is a slight dullness, a softness that is not stillness, but a quiet escape. This is where most stop growing. First you are fighting the mind, then you learned to watch it. But now the mind learns to hide, as if it just switched into stealth mode. Observe now, in this very moment, are you fully here? Have you zoned out? Slightly leaning back into comfort? Just notice, there is a point where awareness becomes so clear, so precise, that there is no place left to hide. And the mind resists this, not through noise, but through softness, through subtle laziness. In Sanskrit, the term Pramaad is used, a kind of laziness coupled with indifference. The moment you see this very clearly, without judgment, something sharpens inside you. Awareness gathers itself, a kind of lucid awareness. Suddenly, you are no longer drifting. You are again here, fully, silently awake. This is the threshold where, if we become attentive, meditation stops being practice and becomes pure presence. If this speaks to something deeper in you, then perhaps you are ready to go beyond comfort and enter real stillness.